Hey, this is Trav from JW Sabers, and today we're looking at the new vertical display stand from TXQ. We've got the horizontal one here with the new Magister saber. The vertical one is a bit bigger, and there's a bit more assembly required, so let's get to it. Come with a large base plate, a couple of different baggies with stands, rest points, that's the lower piece, and optionally the laser etched display plaque as well. Peel off the plastic protecting both sides of the base to start. And I'll start with the upper rest point. So we've got two supports and the upper platform itself. Some more plastic on that. And we'll need some items from the little bag here as well. So a couple of screws and an Allen wrench. TXQ have done a really good job with this one. So what we've got in the bag are some button caps to cover up the screws, a threaded piece, that's what the button caps will attach to, the screws themselves, an Allen wrench for assembly, and of course the lower support stands as well. So when we end up putting these together, the screw will feed through the brass colored threaded piece and tighten down into the acrylic, and then the cap will thread onto that from above. So once you've unbagged everything and taken off all the plastic, you should have the display base, two long support legs, two short support legs, 4 silver caps, 4 brass threaded pieces, 10 screws, 2 of which I think are spare at this point, the Allen key, the upper support and the lower support. So we'll start by assembling the 2 supports before attaching them to the base. So take the upper support, and we'll want to take a screw and the threaded brass piece and place that into the upper support cutout. And then thread on one of our long legs, placing a bit of pressure on the top of the hex screw. One thing you want to keep in mind is that you need the brass threaded piece to stay centered. So keeping some pressure on that should achieve that. With those 2 brass threaded pieces centered, we should now be able to screw on the silver caps. And they're just finger tight, so they're not overly difficult. Just push them down as far as we can. With both the caps on, we can then attach it to the base. Now note the base is asymmetrical, so the longer legs will go on the shorter side of the base. Now we can assemble the lower support in the same way. Again, taking time to ensure the brass threads are centered in the holes. And now we can attach the lower support to the base. Unlike the horizontal stand, which has a pre-cut space for the display plaque, the vertical stand is uncut, but still has the space to stick our double-sided laser etched plaque. Peel off the double-sided tape. And firmly press it into place. The end result is this really nice, clean, thick acrylic stand with some cool metal detailing in the support posts, hidden screws thanks to the silver caps. I think that's a really nice piece, and people will be very happy if they grab one of those as well. You just pop a saber in vertically like that. Thanks for watching.